Well folks, it's 4 o'clock on Saturday. She's blowing a gale. I'm even going to go out on a limb and say, yeah, the weatherman was right. If we check out our loony whirly gig down there, you'll notice there's no wings left on him. So he's lost his wings. The barbecue is still okay. This door keeps blowing open. I'm surprised that my tarp is staying on my wood so far. So that's always good. Put this piece of wood back on top though, just to be safe. My expensive camera all wet. Check out our tarp situation. Shelters. Oh, they don't look too bad. This end wall is blown off, but that's good. That'll help it. Oh, Nanny's greenhouse, one of the vents on the roof has popped off. I'll have to get that pushed down. Just 1 sec, I need a stick. I'm going to have to shut you off because this broke right off. I'm going to have to fix that. Just 1 sec. So I got it pushed back down, but it's right there. But anyway, that's minor. I see the windows open in the greenhouse, so I'm just going to go in and close that. Maybe I'm not. There's too much stuff in there. Can't get over to the window. Anyway, the garden's taking a licking. That's a sin. But I guess that's what happens. My boat, what's my boat doing down here? Better check that out. I'm not going to walk down there, I'm going to zoom down there. Watch this. Oh yeah, the boat's fine. The dock looks good. This was an interesting one over here where the tree on the roof of the shed. I notice it's moving around and it's even moving the shed, so but I'm not going to do anything with that just yet. Trees are all friendly, they're all waving at us. But other than that, I think we're doing pretty good, folks. So, quite a storm we're getting. I'm kind of laughing and chuckling now, but it's not funny, it's pretty serious. I hope everybody is safe and sound and doing well and are able to talk about this storm when it's all over. So we'll talk to you later.